So before we completed 4 rules in our Roman numerals. So on the basis of 4 rules, now we are going to solve our problems. The first, so write the missing Roman numerals. Write the missing Roman numerals. Here one Roman numeral is given, second one is given, third, fourth, fifth and sixth is missing and seventh is given. In the same way, here also first and second is given, third, fourth, fifth, sixth is missing. We have to find all these 4 missing numerals and the last one is given. Then how to find? So we have to apply the 4 rules. On the basis of 4 rules, so we have to find the missing Roman numerals. Then what? Here this is repeated Roman numeral. When repeated Roman numeral will come, then what we have to do? According to our first rule, we have to add. So like 10 plus 10, we added. Here this is the bigger Roman numeral. When the small Roman numeral will come in between the 2 bigger Roman numerals, we have to subtract. This third rule we have to apply here. This is the first rule, repeated Roman numerals. So we got here, so we added, and according to third rule, whenever the small Roman numeral is there in between the 2 bigger Roman numerals, we have to subtract from bigger to smaller. Plus, we have to take plus here. Then after that 4, this is V means 5 and I means 1. Then 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 20 plus 4 is 24. This is 24. This is the second one. This is repeated. So from first rule, when repeated is there, then we have to add 10 plus 10. Then after that, according to second rule, the small Roman numeral is there after the big Roman numeral, then we have to add. This is the second rule. According to second rule, we have to add 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. It means this is 24, this is 25. Next we are going for 26, 27, 28, 29. Here the last one is here repeated Roman numerals. Whenever repeated Roman numerals are there, then we have to add according to our first rule. According to our first rule, we have to add here. It means x means 10. Again one more x means 10. One more x means 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. It means we are given 24, 25 is given and 30 is given. It means the 4 Roman numerals we have to find, that is 26, 27, 28, 29. Then how to find it? 26. Here 27. Here 28. Here 29. Then again here 20 means how to take like this. We have to take 10 plus 10 plus 26 means 10 plus 10 plus 6. 10 plus 10 plus 6. But this 6 representation is not there in our Roman numerals. Again we have to make whatever the Roman numerals are there, on the basis we have to write this. How? 10 plus 10. And here 6 is there. 6 means we can write 6, 5 plus 1. 5 representation is there and 1 representation is there. So it becomes 26. Then in Roman numerals, then 10 means x, 10 means x, 5 means v, 1 means I. All are plus, so bigger, equal, equal, then repeated. Repeated means 2 times x. And this is smaller and this is smaller. Smaller will come on right side, it means we have to take on right side. Plus is there, plus means we have to take on right side, so according to our second rule. And after that 27, how to take 27? The same thing we have to follow here. How to take 27? We have to write 10 plus 10 as it is, and 7 we make it parts, 7, because complete 7, total 7 Roman numeral is not there for 7 in Roman system. Then how to divide? So we have to divide. First we have to take 5. It becomes 25. And again 2 left. Take 1 plus 1. This is repeated. Repeated means we have to take 10 plus 10. Addition is there. Repeated. We take 10 and 10. X and X. And small Roman numeral is there on right side. So plus is there. So we take on right side. And again plus is there small. So we have to take on right side. And again here same Roman numeral is there. Repeated. We are adding. So we take one more. So this is for 27. In the same way 28. 28 again how to take 10 plus 10 plus again here 8 is there. How to take 8? So 8 representation is not there in Roman numeral. The alphabet is not there. So how to make 8? How to represent 8 in Roman numeral? So like 5. First we have to take 5 and after that repeated ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 like this. Here 2 times 10 repeated. So we take X and X and small Roman numeral is there on right side. So that is addition that we have to take on right side. And 3 same numbers are there added. So we have to repeat the same. Same repeated means added. The next 29. Then how to represent this 29? Again the same thing here, but little difference is there here. Just you think. 20 plus 20. We have 10 plus 10. We have to take first 10 plus 10 plus 9 is there. So then first we have to take here 9. Then here 9 is there. How to write this 9? 9 means 5 plus 4 is also 9. 10 minus 1 is also 9. 5 plus 4, this is 9. 10 plus 1 is also 9. Then don't go for this 5 plus 4. If I take 5 plus 4, then I get 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times repeated. 1 is repeated here 4 times. So don't repeat 1 4 times. Only maximum 3 times you have to repeat. Don't repeat 1 4 times. So we go for this 10 minus 1. When minus is there, according to third rule, whenever minus will come, then how to take? First we have to take the bigger number. Then minus 1 is there. When minus is there, we have to take the number on left side. How this minus is there? Minus means smaller. Smaller will come on left side. If minus is there, small Roman numeral always should be on left side. If plus is there, right side. Minus is there, then left side. Plus is there, right side. Minus is there, left side. So here 9 is there. Then how to write 10 plus 10? Then 9 means 10 minus 1. That is 29. Here 10 repeated. 10 means x. 10 means x. And 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, then here bigger number and minus 1. So minus will come, no? So then we take our Roman numeral, small one, in between the two bigger Roman numerals. This is the method. In this way we have to write the missing Roman numerals. First one is given, second one is given, and the last one is given. In between 4 Roman numerals are missing. So according to 4 rules, we have to follow the 4 rules. On the basis of 4 rules, so we have to write the missing Roman numerals. These are in this way. This is the procedure to write the missing Roman numerals.